The question is 1 divided by 1 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5 into 7 plus and so on, plus 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 is equals to n divided by 2n plus 1. We need to show this by using mathematical induction. Okay, here nth term is given, so no problem with that. So now directly we can move into the problem, that is step 1. Step 1, s of 1 is equals to, s of 1 is nothing but sum of the first term. So here first term is nothing but 1 divided by 1 into 3, that is equals to 1 by 1 into 3, 3. So sum of the first term is 1 by 3. So now in the given formula we need to substitute 1 in the place of n. If n equals to 1, here we have the formula n divided by 2n plus 1. So substituting 1 in the place of n, 1 divided by 2 into 1 plus 1, 1 divided by 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 1 divided by 3. So now if we observe these two answers, when we substituted 1, we got the answer as 1 by 3, and sum of the first term is also 1 by 3 only. So that we can conclude that the statement or the formula is true for n equals to 1. The statement or the formula is true for n equals to 1. This is first step. Now let us move to the second step. The second step is nothing there to solve, just our assumption it is. Assume that the statement is true for n equals to k. In the given question, wherever we have n, in the place of n we need to substitute k. Okay, now if we check the question once, 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus and so on, plus 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Here n is there, we need to substitute k. Here n is there, we need to substitute k. Equals to n by 2n plus 1. Here k, and here also k we need to substitute. Okay, let us check now. So that is 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus and so on, plus 1 divided by, we have 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. So we need to substitute 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1. That is equals to, right side we have formula n divided by 2n plus 1. Simply in the place of n substituting k. So we get k divided by 2k plus 1. This is step 2. By using this step 2 only, we will solve the step 3 now. Okay, now let us move to the third step. We like to show that, or we should show that the statement is true for n equals to k plus 1. That is to show that now in the given formula, in the place of n, we need to substitute k plus 1. Once if you observe the question, we have formula as n by 2n plus 1. For remembering, I'll write it here, that formula n by 2n plus 1. So in the formula, wherever we have n, in the place of n, we need to substitute k plus 1. Here n is there, so substituting k plus 1 divided by 2 into, here n is there, so in the place of n, substituting k plus 1 as it is. So now I don't have any work with this. Simplifying, equals to k plus 1 whole divided by 2 into k, 2k plus 2 1s are 2 plus 1 as it is. Still simplifying further, that is equals to k plus 1 divided by 2k plus 2 plus 1, it is plus 3. So this is actually what exactly we need to show now. That is k plus 1 divided by 2k plus 3. Okay, now let us move to the step 2 once. Here step 2 we have 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus and so on plus 1 by 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1. Right, that's the same step as it is 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus and so on plus 1 divided by 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1. Plus, now next term we need to create. What is that term? First observe here. Here first term is 1 and here first term is 3. So from 1 to 3, how many it is increasing? 2 is increasing. So here also numerator is nothing changed, have 1 as it is. Now here 2k minus 1 is there. This 2k minus 1 should be increased by 2. I think here place is not sufficient, so I am writing it down. 1 divided by 2k minus 1 should be increased by 2. Okay, into. Now if we check the second numbers. Second numbers if we observe clearly. Here second number is 3 and here second number is 5. So from 3 to 5, what is the difference? That is 2 again. So here 2k plus 1 is there. So for that 2k plus 1 also we need to add 2 again. Okay. Now if we move to the second step once. 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus and so on plus 1 by 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 value is k divided by 2k plus 1. So in the place of this, I'll substitute k by 2k plus 1. So this is the total one which is there in the steps 2. So in this place, I will substitute k by 2k plus 1 which is equals to k divided by 2k plus 1 plus, now this newly written term I will write it as it is 1 by 2k minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 into 2k plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this we need to solve it now. In the denominators 2k plus 1 and 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 is there. So the LCM of these two denominators is 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. Here 2k plus 1 only there, but in the denominator here we have extra 2k plus 3 also. So that's why this k we need to multiply with that extra 2k plus 3. So we get k into 2k plus 3 plus here 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 is there. Here total 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 is there. So write this numerator as it is without any change. Okay, now let us simplify this. K into 2k plus 3. K into 2k, it is 2k square plus k into 3, 3k plus 1 whole divided by denominator as usual 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 which is equals to, now I will solve the numerator by splitting the middle term into two terms. 2k square, 3k can be written as 2k plus k plus 1 whole divided by 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. Now in the numerator, from the first and second terms, I will take out 2k common, then we remains with k plus 1. From third and fourth terms, I will take out 1 common, then we remains with k plus 1. Whole divided by 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. In the numerator, here k plus 1 is there, here also k plus 1 is there. So write that k plus 1 once. And then remaining numbers, here 2k, here plus 1. So 2k plus 1 whole divided by denominator as it is 2k plus 1 times 2k plus 3. In the numerator as well as in the denominator, we can cancel 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1. Then we remains with the final answer k plus 1 divided by 2k plus 3. Okay, now let us check whether this is the answer we need to get or not. Okay, here we did some box very nicely. K plus 1 divided by 2k plus 3. K plus 1 by 2k plus 3. Of course, we got the same answer. So we can say that this statement is true for n equals to k plus 1. This statement is true for n equals to k plus 1. Then by the principle of mathematical induction, by the principle of mathematical induction, the statement or the formula true for all n belongs to natural numbers.